As an incentive for keeping the Bitcoin network running, the community of miners are rewarded in Bitcoin. However, there is a limited supply of Bitcoin, 21 million in fact. At the current rate, the last Bitcoin will be mined around the year 2140. Once Bitcoin miners have unlocked all the Bitcoin, the planet's supply will essentially be tapped out, unless Bitcoin's protocol is changed to allow for a larger supply, which is highly unlikely. That's when miners will no longer be awarded new Bitcoin for verifying and securing transactions. So what's in it for them? Miners will continue to receive transaction fees. We anticipate the community to be much larger by this point, and as such, a lot more transactions will happen more frequently. More transactions means more rewards. Think of the grand opening of a new store. They may likely run an opening special with a half-price promotion to attract new people. This incentivizes people to come and try it. Once the promotion ends, the hope is that enough people love it and they become loyal customers. By 2140, all Bitcoin may be mined, but we hope to see a healthy community of Bitcoin users keeping it alive. Like that of Bitcoin, we're getting closer to mass adoption every day. This increase in activity invites more transactions, which makes the ecosystem healthy. Miners are happy because there are more transactions to verify and thus more transaction fees in the overall pool.